Can eye exercises help with the computer-related eye strain? Absolutely. Here's the lazy way out. You ever feel like your eyes are burning after staring at your screen for too long? It's like they're saying, no more spreadsheets, we demand a break. And the funny part, they're not wrong. Looking away every minute for just a few seconds. It's the simplest eye-saving trick. Or just look out at the window. You don't even have to like the view. Even a brick wall is better for your eyes than the 400 mLs you've been glued to. Stand up, stretch, and pretend you're exercising. Let's talk about eye movement. The experts say every 30 minutes you should stand up, stretch, walk around a little. Basically some activity with different visual distances. But hey, who's going to judge you if your exercise is a slow walk to the fridge? It's not about burning calories, it's about stretching your body and doing something. Bonus points if you make it all the way to the window to look at that brick wall again. Will be good. Nap time. If you can get away with it now, you will got the luxury of a time and an office door that locks. The best remedy is to just take a nap. No, really. Tell your boss it's for healthy reason. I'm not being lazy, I'm refreshing my eyes. If you can get away with it, you are not only winning this life, but also protecting your vision. Eye strain, gone. Stress, gone. Also dreams about flying, probably. Palm it like a pro. Palming anyone. You just cover your eyes with your palms, close them, and take a little break. It's like a tiny vacation for your eyeballs. No passports required. For a minute, you can pretend you are on a beach at night somewhere, not sitting in front of an overdue PowerPoint presentation. Close eyes for 10 seconds and reset. If all other way fails, close your eyes for 10 seconds and imagine how your eye muscles relaxing. Count up to 10 and with every second it gets better. That's all it takes to hit the reset button on your eyes. It's like rebooting your computer, except way faster and without all the weird loading noises. Trust me, your eyeballs will thank you, and you might even avoid looking like a stressed out emoji in your next Zoom meeting. Check out EyeSight Academy course with the best eye exercises and relaxation techniques to improve your eye health naturally. Conclusion. The 1-minute formula for saving your eyesight. So, can eye exercise help with computer-related eye strain? Absolutely. The secret formula. Look away from the screen every minute for at least 1 second and blink few times. Stand up every 30 minutes if you are feeling really tired. Take a nap. Just remember, it's not just about saving your eyesight, it's about mastering the art of lazy self-care. Because, let's be real, if we can solve a problem by doing less, we are all in.